What is up, my lovely people? Welcome to another YouTube video, and as always, thank you for tuning in. Today is a cooking video, a quick cooking video. We're going to be making jerk chicken penne pasta, and hope you guys enjoy. So right now I'm going in by slicing, and then I'll be cutting them into smaller pieces. My bell peppers, I have an orange bell pepper and a yellow bell pepper. Fun fact that is so funny, my mom hates watching me cut anything. She says it always looks like I'm about to cut myself because I'm a lefty, and she says it looks so weird. Also, I have that bag in the sink. Whenever I cook, I double up on my grocery bags, and whatever scraps or anything I have from cooking, I put them in there. It keeps the smell from being overpowering in the trash, if that makes sense. So now I'm going in, I'm cutting up my onion. Something that helps me to not have my eyes burning like crazy, after I cut my onion, I'll run it under some cold water. You guys, leave in the comment what you do to not have your eyes burning like crazy when cutting an onion. I was also making a TikTok while I was filming. So now I'm going in with my safflower oil for my veggies. Well, my peppers. Where I get veggies from? Gonna add them into the pan and let those saute. Give those a good mix and adjust my temperature. Now I'm going to boil my water for my penne pasta. And of course you add salt. Also guys, I have been told to add oil in your pasta water so that the pasta doesn't stick together. Do not do that if you're adding sauce to your noodles, because the sauce will not stick to your noodles. Now I'm going in with some red pepper flakes and paprika. And yes, I am using jar Alfredo sauce because there has not been any heavy whipping cream in the grocery stores. I don't know what's going on. And you know how we make it stretch? Add that water into that jar, shake it up good, and pour it into the pan. And I'm just mixing the peppers into the sauce. And now I'm going to go in with my Chipotle peppers. You can either use just the sauce from this can. I myself like spicy food, so I added the sauce and the peppers. Some people only use the sauce, but I want it extra spicy. Now I'm going to add my penne noodles into the boiling water. I wasn't going to use the whole box at first, but I decided, what the heck, might as well add the rest of them. Give them a good mix in. I'm going back, just stirring in, making sure that my Alfredo sauce and peppers aren't sticking to the pan, and lowering the temperature, lowering the heat and the temperature. So you always want to lower your heat before adding in cheese because it will really stick. So now I'm adding in my parmesan cheese to the Alfredo sauce and the peppers and onions. And I use the whole bag. You can, it's your preference what you want to use. I use the whole bag though. I'm going to mix that in. Make sure everything is mixed well in together and the cheese melts. I actually could have cut the peppers up, but they were honestly fine. To me, it was no big deal to me, but someone else may would have cut the peppers up in their sauce. Now I'm going to take my safflower oil to cook my chicken. I had the chicken marinating for a day, so I used Grace's jerk seasoning, the hot, and salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and I think that's it. Oh, the Tony's Creole seasoning. That is the holy grail. Like, I love that seasoning so much. I only cooked 2 chicken breasts because it was for just this night. But tomorrow I will be cooking the other ones for the rest of the pasta noodles. I just didn't feel like cooking all of the chicken breasts tonight. Just going to flip the chicken. Give the pasta another stir. And you don't fully cook your pasta in the water because it'll cook more once you put it in the Alfredo sauce. Now I'm draining my pasta and adding it to the Alfredo sauce. Now we're just going to mix that pasta and the Alfredo sauce really good. Let those noodles get covered up nicely. And like I said, this is a really quick meal and it's fulfilling. Now we're going to slice up our chicken breasts. You can slice them however you want. If you want to slice them before you put them on your pasta. Some people may not want to slice them at all. But I decided to slice mine. Now it's time to plate our pasta. It is so creamy. Like, just look at it. And we're going to add our chicken breast now. Only added 1 chicken breast. Right on top of there. And there's our jerk chicken penne pasta. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed my plate. And thanks again for watching. Tune in next